so quiet? Why so quiet? All of you, I am waiting for an answer, Thank you, Firdaus and Amasra. The keyword of our discussion at the moment is how music can help in terms of emotional development, social development, intellectual, and kinesthetic. And Firdaus just mentioned about someone will care for the other's feeling and so on. And Amasra said can develop an empathy, or in our simpler word is a concern, so that you have a caring friend around you. When you understand people emotion, you also concerned, and we have a caring society over there. Anybody want to add further for emotional development? Come on, very good. Yeah, that's about it. Music. What kind of music can help you to enhance this kind of emotional? Yeah.
Sir?
Yeah. You are. Tell your name. Yeah.
Okay, I'm Alifa.
Alifa. Okay.
Yeah, I wanna add about how music impact to children's emotional and social development.
Yes.
So this is I cited from Mayeski 2002.
By what? By
Mayeski.
Mayoski. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
He claimed that music gives children endless opportunity to express feelings and emotions. This expression suggests that the manner in which children participate in music reveals much about their thoughts. For example, children singing or dancing in a faster tempo may signify experience of joy, happiness, and excitement. Executing a piece of music in a slower tempo may denote sadness. Children use their voices and playing of various musical instruments to create rhythms and melodies spontaneously to express joy, happiness, and tenderness.
Yeah, Alifa. So the children can express their feeling when they play the instrument or they sing a song. But of course, the children only prefer the happy song. Do we introduce sad song to children? Seldom, am I right? Seldom, huh? So we only introduce what they call a happy song, a happy moment, for them to enjoy and share their happiness. And when they are happy, how they portray their faces. Someone can respond? When they are happy, how they portray their faces?
Smile.
Yes, that's the keyword of it. When you look at your class, singing a cheerful song, they will have a smile. And as a teacher, you will spot maybe one or two not like the others. You can approach them. Maybe they have the different emotion at that moment. So as a sign of concern, sign of empathy, you approach them after the class. You have anything in mind make you not happy to the session or whatever. So this is kind of what I call concern by the teachers, So anybody want to add this one? Okay, very good response. Alifa, Amasra, and Firdaus. Okay, good response. You are what? Your name? I beg your pardon. Your name? Awatif. Okay, from Patani. All right. Okay.
I want to add
how music can help in terms of emotion. I referred from some website.
Yeah.
They said music is a safe way to improve your mood, and you do not have to buy the opposite drug which are used to enhance your mood or make you feel relaxed. It is a cheap way to control your emotion. A better mood is associated with better life. People in good mood experience improved health, and they are able to relate with other people, and their behavior is enhanced, and this could also give you a higher income. And any type of music can make you feel more joyful, calm, friendly, relaxed, and happy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, Awatif, thanks. So music can be a mood enhancer. So in short, music can be a mood what they call the taste enhancer. Or now here we put mood enhancer. So we have 4 contributions from Firdaus, Amasra, Alifa, Awatif. This very interesting, in terms of emotional development of the kid. That's why when you develop a happy emotion, the kid will come back to school again. Am I right?
Yes.
You please remember some countries during the preschool, they just go there and play and play and play and play and sing and play. The only I don't know, in our country maybe different approach of learning. We need the kids must have some desire to come to school to enjoy and happy. Am I right? Okay.